Wall Street saw a massive sell-off in the last 24 hours. It's actually up just a little bit. We'll take a look at what's going on with it right now. But the real story here is that crypto has held steady and not dropped proportionally as much as our friends over on the Wall Street side. We're going to dig into that and talk about that and its impact on you and your crypto wallet, your crypto holdings in this video. So stay for the whole thing. Got a lot to share with you. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's jump into this. As I said, Bitcoin holding steady at 56,000 plus. We're actually at 57.5 right now. So Bitcoin and all of crypto is doing okay relative to what transpired in the last 24 hours. Now, on the Wall Street side, we had a pretty massive drop in NVIDIA, which has become one of the bellwether kind of darlings of Wall Street, and is one that everybody really, really looks at is kind of what is going on on the Wall Street side. So we did get a good job openings report, basically falling. So we got that. And you can see over on the right-hand side, make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, you can right there on the right-hand side. See where the Dow is up 58 and NASDAQ's down 26. But again, that's better than what we saw in the last 24-hour, basically yesterday's trading cycle. Okay. And so the point here is that I think what you've got right now is, and you can even see like this, Bitcoin price targets include 50K as NVIDIA crashes. So that is something that I was going to talk about, but I'll go ahead and talk about it. There is that potential downside risk that we could see for the remainder of September of potentially Bitcoin dropping a little bit more. Okay. So again, Bitcoin, and by the way, Bitcoin drops. We're going to see all of crypto drop. We know this. September historically is not a good month for crypto and or Wall Street, honestly. So we've got another rough 3 weeks or so, 3.5 weeks or so to get us into October. And that's when things should start to turn for the better. We should start to see some uptick on across the board in all the financial markets. Okay. We got to get through September, just like we had to get through August. I've been talking about this. September, the last week, is when we're kind of officially out of that phase for, let me see, where's it at? Right here. Yeah. So September is where we're kind of out of that phase for, in that red pink box, for getting us out of the post-halving reaccumulation phase. It's the period of consolidation. And October begins that green box you see on the upper right-hand side. But you want to look on the green box on the left. The green box on the left is where we saw Bitcoin go from 11,000 to 68,000. Yeah, that's what I want to hear, right? Guys, I want to be out of this just as much as you do. This market sucks. Everything about it sucks. It's not fun sitting in this seat. Not a whole hell of a lot of fun trying to bring you content every day. It's just a struggle, right? And it's a struggle for all of us as people who own crypto. I don't even look at my accounts anymore because it's like, it's depressing, right? But I know, here's what I know. It's going to be okay. And by the way, I'm looking at identifying opportunities to buy. All right. Because this, I think, is going to be our last opportunity that we're going to get to buy Bitcoin, maybe at 50,000, to buy Ethereum in the $2,000 range or whatever it may be. Okay. That's what I'm really talking about. I'm talking about the overall market right now. Interesting. Crypto holding steady against Wall Street, crypto kind of holding its own, which I like to see. We got rough waters remainder in the remainder. Get it out, Austin, for the remainder of September. And then we'll go from there. All right. Go make some money. Stay tuned. Don't lose your stuff on this. Don't stress. It is what it is. A little bit more rough water to get through. And then we hit the promised land, so to speak. See you in October. Bye.